is Punita Valli. Thank you so much. I'm the owner of Bari Creatives. I have 9 years of experience in Ari work, and I'm also a fabric painting artist and educator also. Let's start.
Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Your turn now.
Good evening to one and all present here. Today I am going to present you the influence of Indian traditional art on modern fashion. Indian traditional art has a rich history, and today also it inspires today's modern fashion designers. So let us see how it gets influenced on today's modern fashion. Let's move on to the next slide. Indian traditional art. It has a very long history which is dated back to ancient centuries. This art can be seen in temple walls and ancient paintings and Pichwai painting. The first art form I am going to talk about is Tanjore painting. It is originated during 16th century, which comes from my land Tamil Nadu, that is the south part of India. This art is known for its rich color, gold foil, and use of gold foil gives a richness and luxurious appearance. This richness and mural painting and kalamkari painting. Mural painting is one originated during 2nd century. Even now also these art can be seen in Ajanta and Ellora caves. It is one of the historical and tourist places in India. Later in 14th and 15th century it got flourished in Kerala. This mural painting is known for its bright color, bold outlines, and it often tells mythological stories of Buddhism and Lord Krishna. The next is Kalamkari painting. It is one of my personal favorite painting. This art is very unique compared to others because this art is directly hand painted on fabrics by using the natural color dyes where the colors are extracted from fruits and vegetables. So it often tells stories through motifs and patterns. Today Kalamkari plays a very important role in, especially in South India, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, because still many designers uses a traditional method of painting where they use a natural color dyes and where the colors are extracted in fruits and vegetables. For example, turmeric, yellow, the combination of turmeric and baking soda gives orange red, spinach for green, and even the colors are extracted from flowers also. Let's move on to the next slide. Warli and Madhubani art. Warli art is one of the India's oldest art form. Tribal art form. It is originated in Maharashtra, that is the north part of India. This Warli art has a very simple and minimal designs which consist of geometrical shapes like circle, triangle and lines. It mainly represents the daily life activity of the people like dancing, celebration and forming. The next is Madhubani art. It is originated in Bihar, that is the northern part of India. It is known for its vibrant color combinations and traditional themes and motifs background, and it mainly represents God, goddess, nature and animals. Let us see how these are converted into today's modern fashion world. Transformation to fashion. The first is the traditional motifs and patterns. Now it can be seen in digital prints and also hand painted on fabric. The next is the colors. The colors from the traditional art inspires today's modern color palettes. The next is the art and the design adapt today's clothing and accessories also. So where the designer take an inspiration from this traditional art where they particularly select motifs, colors and patterns and they recreate into a new style which suits the current trend. So this is how it is converted into today's modern fashion. Let's move on to the next slide. Modern fashion examples. The use of Indian traditional art can be clearly seen in today's modern fashion. It can be seen through Indian accessories like saris, dresses, and also it is hand painted on accessories like handbag, shoes, earrings, bangles, and not only that, it is also painted on pots, wall art, canvas art, etc. So where the designer incorporate with traditional themes and motifs and they convert into a contemporary style. Usually you can see it in a fusion fashion. So this fusion attracts today's generation and it connects a wider. To the next slide. The importance of Indian traditional art. The first is it helps our culture, rich heritage which is passed from one generation to other generation and help them to keep it alive also. The next is it supports artisans and craftsmen, and it encourages, it provides them an opportunity, and it gives a recognition for their talent. It helps their livelihood, and the third is it creates a unique identity. Let's move on to the next slide. The conclusion part. To conclude with Indian traditional art, it's not only about our past. It inspires today's modern fashion designers, and it plays a very important role. It connects our past with present to future. The third is it creates a unique global identity. Let's move on to the next slide. Here I wanted to share you the latest news of Met Gala. As we all know about Met Gala 2026, so where many fashion designers showcase their talent in this fashion event. Here he is a famous Bollywood star Karan Johar. He is wearing an Indian traditional art where they took the inspiration from Raja Ravi Varman painting. It is originated during 18th century. This beautiful attire was designed by Manish Malhotra, who is the famous fashion designer of India. I think this is the best example where the Indian traditional art influences today's modern fashion. Let's move on to the next slide. Thank you for your time and attention. Thank you for providing this opportunity.